Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing the app and its helpers. This prevents locked files. If it hangs, open Force Quit with Command-Option-Escape and quit it. Next, check Activity Monitor for lingering processes and quit those. This frees file handles. Make sure you have an admin account and password available. You'll need them to remove system files. While you do this, note any license keys or cloud sync settings you may want to deactivate first so you don't lose access elsewhere. Now remove the app itself. Open Finder, go to /applications, and drag the app to trash, or use Launchpad's delete for App Store apps. Once moved, hunt for leftovers in ~library/application support, ~library/preferences, and ~library/launch agents, delete related folders, and list files. If the program installed kernel extensions or launch daemons, remove those from /library/extensions or /library/launch daemons. Once done, empty the trash and restart your Mac to ensure system components unload cleanly. To finish, use a reputable uninstaller or app cleaner to scan for buried files and clear caches. This automates the tedious parts. If files refuse deletion, open Disk Utility and run First Aid to repair permissions and retry. Once complete, log out and log back in or restart. Troubleshooting tip: if the app still appears or crashes persist, boot into safe mode, repeat the removal steps, then reboot. This isolates startup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.